In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Skype conversations to Teams. By the end, you'll have your Skype chats and contacts available right inside Microsoft Teams all in one place. First, we'll download Microsoft Teams. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft Teams. Make sure you go to the official Microsoft site so you're getting the legitimate installer. On the page, look for the Download for Windows option and click it. The setup file will start downloading to your computer. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you can easily find, like your Downloads folder. Next, install Teams. Open the file you just downloaded and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. You may see a brief spinner or a permission prompt. Just allow it to proceed. This process usually takes a minute or two, and when it's done, Teams will either launch automatically or you can open it from your Start menu. Now sign in with your Skype account. When Teams opens, log in using the same Skype or Microsoft account you use for your chats. If Teams shows a different account by default, click your profile icon in the top corner, choose Use Another Account, and enter your Skype credentials instead. This ensures Teams can identify and bring in the right conversation history and contacts. Next, enable Skype chat migration. Inside Teams, click the three dots menu, sometimes called More Options. Select Teams Insider Program, then click Join. This unlocks the migration feature that connects Skype with Teams. When Teams prompts you to restart, go ahead and restart the app so the change takes effect. After Teams restarts, you'll see a prompt about Skype and Teams integration. Click Continue to begin. Select your Skype profile when asked, confirm your name, and proceed. If you have more than one profile, double check you're choosing the one you actually use for your conversations. Keep Teams open while this runs. Depending on how many chats you have, it may take a little time. Once the migration completes, your Skype conversations and contacts should appear in Teams. Head to your chats and you'll see familiar threads and names. You can search for specific people or keywords to quickly verify everything is there. If something isn't visible right away, give it a moment to finish syncing. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Skype chats to Microsoft Teams. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Skype tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.